Okay, so we came in here today and started putting our countertops on. We're going to have to do a little bit of drywall work around the top and a little bit of painting for the top. You can see the countertops are like an inch different than what was there, the backsplash. So we'll try and get that done. The plumber's coming to install the sink for us tomorrow. Get that in, and the dishwasher and garbage disposal and everything. And then tomorrow we're going to start doing some interior doors here. Yeah. Yeah, door's in pretty bad shape, but we can replace it.